Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're all about helping you make informed choices on your beauty journey. Now, we've all been there, dealing with dry, damaged hair that feels lifeless and brittle. What if a shampoo could help repair that damage and restore some much-needed moisture? Well, today we're looking at Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo, a product designed to nourish and hydrate. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Moroccanoil's Moisture Repair Shampoo is all about hydration and restoration. This liquid formula promises to repair damaged hair, making it smoother, softer, and more manageable. The key ingredients include argan oil and keratin, which work together to strengthen hair while moisturizing. It's suitable for damaged hair, and the brand claims it's gentle enough for everyday use. Now, if we're talking about how this shampoo feels and performs in real life, I have to say, it's a pleasant experience. The scent, which is their signature fragrance, is subtle but refreshing. The formula lathers nicely without feeling too heavy or greasy, which is a good sign when you're dealing with a moisturizing product. After rinsing, my hair felt noticeably softer, and it wasn't weighed down, which can happen with some deeply hydrating shampoos. In terms of how it fits into a daily routine, it's pretty straightforward. A small amount goes a long way, so you don't need to over-apply. Plus, you don't need to use it with a conditioner right away if you're in a rush. It's effective on its own. I tested it in both my morning and evening routines, and it held up well, even in different environments. My hair felt clean but nourished, which can sometimes be tricky to achieve with damaged strands. Now, let's get into the pros and cons. On the pro side, this shampoo really delivers when it comes to hydration. It's rich in moisture without feeling too heavy, which is a balancing act that's hard to achieve. The formula is also free from sulfates, which means it's gentler on hair. It's a great option for anyone with color-treated hair or those who want to maintain the integrity of their hair while repairing damage. On the downside though, the price point might be a bit high for some. While the shampoo does a great job of moisturizing and repairing, you're paying a premium for that Moroccanoil name. For people on a tight budget, this could be a deterrent. Also, if you have fine hair, you might find that you need a clarifying shampoo every now and then to avoid buildup since it's so moisturizing. Speaking of price, is it worth the money? The high quality of the ingredients like argan oil and keratin makes it a solid investment if you're looking to repair severely damaged hair. However, if your hair is only slightly dry, or you just need a quick fix, you might find cheaper alternatives that also provide great hydration. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple yet effective. The bottle is sturdy, and the shampoo dispenses easily. It's a no-frills design that's practical for daily use. As for longevity, I found that this shampoo lasts quite a while since you only need a small amount each time. For me, this means that while the upfront cost is higher, it's an investment that'll last for months. Now let's talk alternatives. If you're on a budget but still want something hydrating, products like Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey Shampoo or OGX's Renewing Argan Oil Shampoo can be great options. They're less expensive and still pack a punch when it comes to hydration, though the performance won't be quite as luxurious as Moroccanoil's. To wrap it up, Moroccanoil Moisture Repair Shampoo is a strong contender for anyone with severely damaged hair looking for a moisturizing boost. It delivers hydration and repair without being too heavy, though the price might be a consideration for some. If you're willing to splurge, it's definitely worth trying, especially for those with color-treated or over-processed hair. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.